Right now.
Booker.
All my friends are on the TV.
Hey man, how's it going?
Hey. Say don't get up, kid.
Don't get up. No, we weren't. That wasn't us.
I was.
You just call us gents? We're the Hatchet boys.
We're not gents, we're the Hatchet boys.
We're the Ratchet Hatchet.
We're the Hatchet boys, kid.
The Ratchet Hatchet boys. Get it right. The Ratchet Hatchet boys, man.
Hit the ground to intimidate him.
Kid.
Oh, get him!
No,
Get
no,
him!
no,
Don't
hit him.
I missed. Don't worry.
You missed twice, dude. I seen that shit.
Oh.
I missed on purpose, just so you know.
He's just fucking around.
If you stay around for a while, you get to live.
I bet you. Oh
Hey,
my God.
guys, just seems like
Hey,
very
hey.
slow.
His friend's on his way.
When his friend gets here, just not
Dark Gilly. Tilt your head down and just enjoy it. Stand still, Pharaoh.
Give me a kid.
Better give him a blowjob. We're gonna knife you.
Look at this.
Or should we say hatchet you, nigga?
Gonna hatchet you like this.
Oh, you hit him? Oh.
Hey you.
I'm so scared.
Hey, you see that
scared
nigga teddy bear right here? This is what we're gonna do to you. Everyone start hitting him.
Oh shit! No!
Who just killed him? Who just killed him?
He meant hit me.
I saw blood come out of him. I just started hitting him.
Why?
It wasn't me who killed him.
All of y'all are